Members of Parliament in South Africa are set to meet on Tuesday to debate on whether President Cyril Ramaphosa should face an impeachment inquiry over the Phala Phala farm scandal. Opposition parties, Economic Freedom Fighters, African Transformation Movement (ADM), Democratic Alliance, United Democratic Movement, and other parties are hoping a physical parliamentary session will allow MPs to cast their ballots in person and vote according to their conscience. The opposition's reasoning is that if members were to cast their ballots virtually, it is likely that they would be asked to do so on a central platform through a party whip. It would place those who broke rank at risk of sanction. This is after the ruling African National Congress reportedly instructed its MPs to vote against the Phala Phala report. Perhaps they are hoping that MPs from factions that are opposed to President Ramaphosa's re-election as ANC president in December will join the opposition. This is because the vote comes days just before the ruling party goes to its elective conference, where Ramaphosa is seeking re-election. Ramaphosa had reportedly contemplated resigning after a panel found that his failure to satisfactorily explain the source of a large sum of cash stolen from his game farm in 2020 warranted further scrutiny in terms of Section 89 of the Constitution. Reports say he was persuaded by his allies in the party to stay on and fight. On Monday, he filed an application to the Constitutional Court to have the panel's report set aside. In court papers, he argues that the panel misread its mandate and wrongly gave credence to the hearsay evidence of former State Security Agency Director Arthur Fraser. The ANC National Executive Committee resolved shortly afterwards that its MPs would vote against the adoption of the report, given the fact that it is being taken on review. However, even if MPs hostile to Ramaphosa were to vote with the opposition to make up the majority required for a resolution to subject him to an impeachment inquiry, nothing can be done in parliamentary terms to take the process further until the new year. Parliament is cited as a respondent in the President's Court application. What do you think will happen on Tuesday? Leave your comments in the description below and remember to subscribe for future videos.
I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with